In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Canva design as a template. Whether you're working on a team or want to share your design with others, this process will streamline your workflow and ensure your designs are versatile and reusable. First things first, head over to Canva's website at canva.com. If you haven't already, sign in with your credentials by clicking on the login button located in the upper right corner of the page. Canva provides a range of options so you can log in using your Google account, Facebook, or simply with your email. This flexibility ensures that you can access your designs anywhere, anytime. Once you're logged in, you'll need to decide how you want to save your design. Canva offers two ways: as a brand template, which is ideal for teams, or via a template link, perfect for individual sharing. The choice depends largely on how you plan to use the design. If it's for team use, brand templates are the way to go, as they are stored in your Canva team folder and can be edited collectively. On the other hand, a template link lets users create and edit their copy independently, making it great for wide distribution. To create a brand template, open the design you'd like to save, navigate to the upper right corner and click on the Share button. In the drop-down menu, select Brand Template. This option allows you to specify a destination folder for your template, so make sure it's correctly updated to avoid any future hassle. Once you've sorted the destination, go ahead and click Publish. That's it for team templates. Your design is now saved for your team to utilize and modify as required. Alternatively, if you're looking to share a template link with someone, the process is similarly straightforward. Again, start by opening the design you wish to share. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Here you'll need to select More, then choose Template Link. This action copies the link to your clipboard, allowing you to share it via email, social media, or any channel of your choice. When others open this link, they'll see a Use Template button, which lets them create their version without altering the original design. And there we have it. By following these steps, you can effectively save and distribute your Canva designs as templates, enhancing collaboration and creative sharing. Be it through a brand template or a template link, you now have the tools to ensure your designs are as dynamic and accessible as you intend. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this enhances your Canva experience.